Okay, I don't think these are ready yet. Not so sure. Leave it there. Not yet. This is a chayote. And oh, that's difficult. Chayote. And this is the lemon zest. I think it's almost ready. Harvest of the year. So yes, a couple of days ago I was at Costco, and everything, the prices at the store like went up by a couple bucks. So food is expensive right now, so it's better to buy your own. So this one this is it has really soft seeds, and I grew this from seed. Well, I didn't grow it, but after I ate the fruits, I just threw the seeds and it just grew by itself. Volunteer fruit, I guess, tree. And see, something was trying to eat it. Coming up next will be dragon fruits. So lots of dragon fruits this year too. A whole bunch of it. Let's see. That. And over there. Everywhere.